Hello all, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to discuss about a new topic called geometric progression. So let us start the series, right? So geometric progression. So देखो a sequence finite or infinite. It may be finite or it may be infinite of non-zero numbers in which every term expect the first one. Every term bears a constant ratio. With its preceding term is called geometric progression. For example, the sequence 1, 2, 4, 8. Now, if we take the common ratio, then it is 2 by 1 is equal to 4 by 2 is equal to 8 by 4, right? So, which is constant. So, first term is 1 and the common ratio, which is oftenly denoted by R, is 1 by 2. Sorry, it's 2, right? Now, let us see some important relations. Okay, so let us see. For a GP or geometric progression, AR, AR square up to ARn minus 1, right? Then AN is the nth term of GP, which is equal to nothing but ARn minus 1, which is equal to L, the last term, where A is called the first term, which is not equal to 0, right? Then R is equal to ARn minus 1 or AN upon A of n minus 1, which is R not equal to 0, and AN dash is nth term from end, so which is equal to 1 upon R raised to n minus 1, right? And AR dash equal to rth term from end, rth term from end of a GP having n terms, right? Which is equal to nothing but a n minus r plus 1th term from beginning, right? which is a of r ar n minus r, right? Now similarly, as we see in the case of AP, there is also a summation term in GP, which is sum of n terms from beginning. Sum of n terms from beginning, right? This is equal to ar power n minus 1 upon r minus 1, which is last term into r minus a upon r minus 1, where r is not equal to 1, right? And similarly, if the GP is the infinite GP, right? If it is the infinite GP, then sum of it is a upon 1 minus r, where mod r is less than 1, right? So what we have seen, it is a geometric progression. We have seen the definition, then we see the important relations, right? It is easy. Now let us focus on some properties of the GP. Properties of geometric progression, right? So let us see. First property is A1, A2, A3 are in GP, then A1K, A2K, and so on, and AR, LK, A1LK, sorry, A1LK, A2LK, A3LK are also in GP where K is not equal to 0, right? Now second property, if A1, A2, A3 are in GP, then 1 upon A1, 1 upon A2, and so on are also in GP, right? Third property, if A1, देखो तो ये प्रॉपर्टीज जो है वो somewhat similar to क्या है AP की प्रॉपर्टीज के सिमिलर है, right? So are in GP, then and also B1, B2, B3 are in GP, then A1, A2, sorry, A1 times, just a minute, A1 times B1, A2 times B2, and so on, and A1L B1, A1L B1, and A1L B1, A2L B2, and so on are also in GP, right? अब देखो, now again, तो ये important point है, if A1, A2, A3 and B1, B2, B3 are in GP, then A1 plus minus B1, A2 plus minus B2, देखो AP के केस में है ना बच्चों, ये वाला टर्म जो था A1 प्लस माइनस B1, A2 प्लस माइनस B2, ये टर्म AP में था अगर A1 B1 AP में है तो, राइट? पर यहाँ पे ये जो टर्म्स है ये GP में नहीं है, नॉट इन GP, राइट? नाउ नेक्स्ट, Next is if a1, a2, a3, a1, a2, a3 are in GP, then ai greater than 0 for all I, then log log of a1, log of a2, log of a3, ये terms are in AP. In this case the converse is also hold good. So देखो क्या कह रहा है, अगर a1, a2, a3 GP में है such that ai is greater than 0 for all belongs to for all I, then log of a1, log of a2 are in AP, ये AP में होंगे, और कन्वर्स अगर log of a1, a2, a3 AP में है तो a1, a2, a3 भी GP में होंगे. So converse is also true, right? Then sixth property is if a1, a2, a3, an are in GP, then first a1 an which is equal to a2 an minus 1 which is equal to a3 an minus 2 and so on a square r की power n minus 1, right? And b is nothing but a1, sorry, ar is equal to a under root of a r plus k into a r minus k such that k lies between 0 to n minus r included, right? So देखो सेवेंथ प्रॉपर्टी क्या कहती है बच्चों, if a1, a2, a3 and a4 up to an minus 1 an are in GP, right? Then a2 by a1, a3 by a2 equal to a3 by a2, common ratio equal to a4 by a3 equal to an upon an minus 1. So then this implies a2 square is equal to a3 a1 and a3 square is equal to a2 a4 and so on. Also a2 equals a1r, a3 equals a2r, sorry, a3 equals a1r square, a4 equals a1r cube and so on, an equals to a1r power n minus 1, right? जहाँ पे r जो है बच्चों वो कॉमन रेशियो है, ठीक है ना. नाउ एट प्रॉपर्टी, three numbers three numbers are in GP can be taken as, देखो AP में कैसा था ना कि थ्री नंबर्स को अपन इस तरीके से लेट कर रहे थे a माइनस डी ए प्लस डी, राइट. पर यहाँ पे GP में अपन a बाई आर ए और ए आर इस तरीके से लेट कर रहे हैं. सिमिलरली फाइव नंबर्स फाइव नंबर्स को लेट कर रहे हैं एज ए बाई आर स्क्वायर, ए बाई आर, ए आर और ए आर स्क्वायर, राइट, इस तरीके से. सो इन जनरल, इन जनरल 2m+1 numbers in GP can be written as where m belonging to n, right? Then this can be written as a upon r power m, a upon r m minus 1, say a r comma a comma a r comma up to a r m minus 1, and the last term is a r m, right? इस तरीके से 2m+1 नंबर्स को लिखा जा सकता है, right? And the last and final property, like four numbers in a GP can be taken as a by r cube, a by r, a r, or a r cube, right? And similarly, six numbers taken in a GP as a upon r5, a upon r cube, a upon r, a r, a r cube, ए आर पावर 5, राइट, इस तरीके से लिखा जा सकता है. सो इन जनरल 2m numbers can be written as where m belonging to n is a upon r 2m minus 1, a upon r 2m minus 3, up to a upon r cube, comma a upon r, comma a r, comma a r cube, up to a r 2m minus 3, up and last term is a r 2m-1. तो देखो जरा, अपन ने क्या देखा, जस्ट मिनट, या सो अगर थ्री नंबर से, मतलब अगर ऑड नंबर से, लाइक ऑड फॉर्म में ऑड नंबर्स की बात करी जा रही है, तो नंबर ऑफ ऑड नंबर्स कैन बी रिटन एज 2m+1 नंबर्स, राइट? एंड दीज आर a पावर r m comma a पावर r m-1 up to a r and a upon r and a r and a r m-1, so a r m, right? Similarly, in general, 2m numbers can be written as this way, right? So we have seen the properties, and now it's time to do some questions, right? So let us start the question series. Okay, so our first question, find find three numbers in GP whose sum is 52. Sum is 52 and sum of their products in pairs is 624, and sum of their products in pairs is 624. तो फाइंड थ्री नंबर्स, राइट? सो देखो, अभी ऊपर अपन ने देखा प्रॉपर्टी के अंदर कि थ्री नंबर्स इन जीपी कैन बी टेकन एज ए अपॉन आर, ए एंड ए आर, राइट? सो अपन लेट करके चलेंगे. लेट लेट थ्री नंबर्स बी ए अपॉन आर, ए एंड ए आर, राइट, इस तरीके से. So just a minute. Okay, so अपन इसको ऐसे भी ले सकते हैं, लाइक या तो ये ले लो, राइट, या तो फिर ये ले लो, ए आर स्क्वायर। तो देखो यहाँ पे ए आर बाई ए आर स्क्वायर बाई ए आर इज ऑल्सो आर, राइट। सो दोनों तरीके से ले सकते हैं। तो यहाँ पे अपन ये वाला तरीका लेंगे और लिखेंगे ए प्लस ए आर प्लस ए आर स्क्वायर। देखो बात तो एक ही है, अगर ये वाला तरीका भी लेते हैं, सबको सम करेंगे तो अल्टीमेटली यही आएगा, राइट। तो ये सम अपने को दे रखा है कितना, 52, राइट। एंड सम ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स इन पेयर्स। सो देखो इससे क्या निकला, ए 1 + r दिस इज 52 ऑल्सो। So let us see first equation, right? Now we have this sum of products in pairs means a into ar means a square r, ठीक है, times 1 + r square. This term is 624, second equation, right? So इन दोनों को जब डिवाइड करेंगे from 1 and 2, a square r 1 + r square by a times of 1 + r square, और इसका स्क्वायर करेंगे, राइट। सो दिस इज, क्योंकि अपने को यहाँ पे ए स्क्वायर चाहिए, राइट, इस वजह से। सो ये हो जाएगा 624/52 × 52 विच इज नथिंग बट 3/13, राइट। सो देखो इससे क्या निकल के आया, ये ए स्क्वायर से ए स्क्वायर कट गया, इधर इससे ये कट गया। सो ये बचा r/1 + r square is 3/13. So 13r equal to 3 + 3r + 3r square. So जब इसको सॉल्व करा by quadratic equation, what we got is r equal to 3, 1/3, right? So r की वैल्यू निकल गई। अब फर्स्ट इक्वेशन क्या थी अपनी, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन पे आओ कि ये वाली, तो यहाँ पे r पुट अप कर दो, r की वैल्यू क्या निकली, 3, राइट। जब 3 डालेंगे तो ये आएगा 1 + 3 + 9 12 13 52 4। सो a equal to 4, है ना, when r equal to 3 and a equal to 36 when r equal to 1/3, right. So therefore numbers numbers are 1 4 sorry 4 12 और 36, right। इस तरीके से नंबर्स होंगे। ओके, सो ये था अपना क्वेश्चन। अब चलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ। ओके, सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी है। फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ 0.3258। सो देखो लेट करके चलेंगे, लेट r equal to 0.3258, right, then this implies r equal to 0.3258 अच्छा यहाँ पे बार है, राइट। तो देखो 3258, 58, 58, 58 and so on. This is the first equation, right? Then 100R is equal to 32.585858 and so on. Second equation. And 10,000 R is equal to 3258.585858 and so on. Third equation, right? So देखो ये मेथड वही मेथड है which we have learned in the class 9th number system, right? We have to calculate and find the value of R. So इस तरीके से क्या होगा, जब सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे 3 को 2, मतलब 3 में से 2 को सब्ट्रैक्टिंग 2 फ्रॉम 3, हाँ, सो 3 माइनस 2 मतलब है ना। सो देन this is equal to 9900 R, which is equal to 3226. So R equal to 3226 by 900. Hence R is equal to 1613 by 4950. Right? So ये था अपना topic of GP. Right? So let us recall in short what we have learned today. So we have seen about the geometric progression, which is nothing but a sequence having a constant ratio, which is constant is a common ratio, right? And then important relations like nth term, nth term from end, nth term from end of a GP having n terms, right? Rth term, sorry, and then a sum of nth term from beginning, sum of infinite GP. Properties, we have seen 9 properties in total, right? And properties, then after that we have done a question regarding the three numbers in a GP having the sum of them is 52 and sum of the products in pairs. So pairs means like A into AR, then AR into AR square, right? Then AR square into A. इस तरीके से जो प्रोडक्ट्स का प्रोडक्ट है मतलब पेयर्स का, राइट, उसका सम, तो सम करेंगे तो प्लस आएगा, राइट। इस वजह से ए स्क्वायर आर कॉमन एंड 1 plus r this is equal to 624. Then we have seen the solution and try to find the numbers. Easy. Then find the value of 3.3258 3258 on which 58 is bar. Then bar means repeating recurring decimal. So we have seen and follow the method of simple number system to solve the value, right? So this we have seen so far. In the next lecture, we would be seeing recognition of the AP and GP, then means and arithmetic mean, geometric mean, and in the subsequent lecture we will be covering the harmonic progression as well. Thank you so much and have a nice day.